south of Lighthouse at the moment. Over.
Stick with these for a little bit. We've got that other pod still inside. He's really close there now.
Yeah, you got them inside and one back. I've got at least 3 whales there. Could have 4. They're just laying in the water, putting petrol fins up at the moment.
What's the water temperature? 20 and a half. It's a bit close. Oh.